A family. A long trail of wagons, heading west for hope. Gold, land, future, their eyes full of dreams. But waiting ahead was not fortune. It was ice, hunger, death, and silence. In the end, to survive, they would eat the only thing left, each other. This is not fiction. This is America's real history. It is known as the Donner Party tragedy. America was changing. From the east to the wilderness of the west, thousands of people moved every year towards California, a land of gold, fertile soil, and endless opportunity. People said, "Go west, young man." The Donner family, the Reed family, the Breen family, around 80 people in total. Men, women, children, horses, cattle, wagons. Their goal? Cross the Sierra Nevada and reach California, a new beginning. But they had no idea what awaited them, because beyond those mountains was death. The journey had begun. One day, a man named Lansford Hastings appeared. He promised them something irresistible. "I have a shortcut. You will reach faster than everyone else." Excitement spread. A shorter road meant early arrival, better land, more gold. But there was a secret Hastings never said. He had never traveled that route himself. Still, he drew a map. The wagons turned, and soon, everything went wrong. Woods, steep hills, deserts. Cattle died. Water ran out. People began to realize this is not a shortcut. It is a trap. Weeks were lost. Time was running out. The sun was sinking lower each day. Ahead of them rose the Sierra Nevada mountains, tall and white. Travelers in nearby camp warned them, "Winter is coming. You must cross before the snow." But the Donner Party was already late. Their wagons were slow. Children were tired. One morning, they saw the first sign. Dark clouds, cold wind, a flurry of snow. A small girl whispered, "Mama, it's snowing." Nobody knew this snow would become their prison. November, the first week. They climbed the mountain, snow up to the knees, then the waist, then the chest. Wagons stopped, horses collapsed. They built rough cabins near a lake. Food began to vanish. People argued, "We should have never listened to Hastings." But the snow kept falling, quiet, relentless. One day, a man stared outside and whispered, "We are trapped." Days passed. Nights were long and silent. Children cried. Men went hunting. They returned with only 2 squirrels, a few birds. For 80 people, people ate almost nothing. Then it happened. A child died. Cold, weakness, hunger. A mother held the small body against her chest, as if warmth could return. They buried the child in the snow. It was the first death. Many more would follow. No explosion, no war, just snow. The greatest enemy. They boiled animal bones. They chewed leather. Yes, shoe leather. Men sucked on frozen pieces of hide until their mouths bled. But hunger did not stop. A man collapsed. Another died. They buried them under snow. The world outside was silent and white. Inside the cabins, darkness. December. Christmas came, but no one celebrated. They didn't even know the date. One night, frozen around a tiny fire, a decision was made. A group of strong men and women would try to cross the mountains and find help. 15 volunteered. Mothers kissed their children. "Come back, please." But deep down, they knew some of them would never return. They walked into the mountains. No map, no direction, only white emptiness. One fell. Another said, "I can't go on." They kept walking, days without food. Then, hunger reached a point beyond imagination. Around a dying fire, someone whispered, "To live, we must—" Nobody finished the sentence, but everyone understood. The next day, one of them died. No burial, no time. They cut the flesh, cooked it over fire. Some turned their heads in shame, but at last, everyone ate. Survival won. They reached a remote cabin. Smoke. A man stepped out, an American rescuer. They collapsed. They were saved. The rescuers asked, "Are there more people?" They whispered, "On the mountain, families, children." The rescuer froze. "We must go." January. Rescue teams climbed the mountains. Deep snow, storms, wolves. They found the cabins near the lake. A woman opened the door. Inside were hollow faces, black eyes, bodies as thin as skeletons. A mother asked, "Is there food?" Rescuers cried. They gave bread. Some gulped too fast. Some could not eat. Their stomachs had shrunk. Many were alive. Many were not. Those who died lay beneath the snow.